Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have OMG daily update. We are going to see the next price targets and where are we going. But before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits with an automated and a manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get market updates, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, personal guidance every day, and many more benefits such as random giveaways. For sure, this is something you should try it right now. You can cancel anytime you like, and also you can join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's proceed right now quickly into OMG and see some important stuff right there. First of all, we found some buying pressure on the 16 Tether USD, and we have one more. If we closed below the 16, we would have a support level at around 1.236 Fibonacci retracement, the 14.8. But for the time being, we are fine. But in case we close below, then have in your mind that we might be getting into the 14.85. Okay, so for now we are good. The next price target is the 18.84 Tether USD. We will see what risk do we hold and where are we going. Okay, so we can go first to the volume. You can see the volume here is increasing a little bit. If I zoom out, you will see perfectly fine. This is the moving average down on your screen. It is going a little bit upwards from the 27th September that we had a low volume. Now we are getting higher volume, and you can see that the MACD had a bearish cross, but it isn't something that we should be worried about. Okay, we had a bearish cross, yeah, for sure, but if we go down a little bit and we go upwards, then it will be all right. It matters is that we make a higher high, higher low pattern. Okay, so we can go now to the risk metrics, and you can see that 20-day EMA hasn't even touched the OMG. Okay, and we need just to wait a little bit. We need to consolidate a little bit. Okay, for the time being though, see something very important. On the OMG, on the stochastic RSI, we are below this zone right here between 20 and 80, this colored zone, brown colored zone right there. You can see we are a little bit below. Okay, so right now you can see that we are on the minus, on the zero actually, for the stochastic RSI, and we want to see whether we can go even higher or not. All right, because we are seeing the stochastic RSI first in an impulsive wave. Okay, and seeing the stochastic RSI, it is in an oversold situation that is pretty good. If we go above and make a bullish RSI pattern like that, then we can go to the next price target easily. But what risk do we hold in the daily frame? Because we care more and we care a lot in the daily frame. What risk do we have right there? The risk is very high. Okay, you can see that we are above the 70, we are above the 100 for the commodity channel index, above the 80 for the stochastic RSI, and of course in the Fisher transform we are above the 1.5. Okay, you can see here we are holding a very high risk, and I want you please to be careful on your tradings. We have a very high risk on the daily frame for OMG, and you can see, the pattern here. We had some sell pressure around here for OMG. Now we want to see whether we can go even higher or not. All right, so therefore we have the RSI, all of the four risk metrics in an overbought situation. And yes, I know that we are on an impulsive wave, but for the time being you maybe want to take a little bit of a pause right here if you want to trade for OMG and just let things settle a little bit, especially on the daily frame. OMG against Bitcoin chart, you can see right here that we are on a very important support level. If I draw the Fibonacci retracement a little bit more, you can see that we lost this Fibonacci retracement right here. We are on the 20-day EMA and we may be getting into the 0.303175. For now, on the 4-hour frame for OMG, we are getting into an oversold situation and not an overbought situation. Okay, you can see that the Fisher transform is getting below the minus 1.5, and we have a little bit of the commodity channel index as well getting below the minus 100 right here. You can see that we might be getting a little bit further down. Anyway, next stop for OMG against the Bitcoin chart is the 20-day EMA, or if we close down from the 20-day, the 0.303168, and of course we have the 0.303008. Okay, let's see a little bit the OMG Bitcoin chart on the daily. On the daily frame, we have a very high risk, and we should be careful because we might be correcting against Bitcoin a little bit more. And if Bitcoin corrects right here on the 4-hour frame and goes a little bit down, OMG will go further down. So we need to be extremely careful. And for now, I will go onto the 4-hour frame for OMG. And why you should be careful is because OMG is now underperforming against Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin has a correction, a small correction after this pump up right here, if Bitcoin has a small correction, maybe we won't be able to just stay above the 16 Tether USD and we will fall further down. If we fall further down and close below the 16, then probably it will be the 14.8 Tether USD as a support level. Of course, we have many chances into going into the 18.8, but right now we have a very high risk on the daily frame, and thus you need to wait a little bit before we close below the 16 Tether USD, because if we found again a buying pressure around here, or if we do not get there, then yes, it will be good. This means that we might be getting upwards, but for the time being, because we have a very high risk on the daily frame, I would suggest you for now to stay away if you are a new trader. If you are not a new trader, then just wait a little bit. If you bought around this area, for example, just wait till OMG has a very healthy correction. From there, we will just be getting upwards. Do not worry about that, but just wait a little bit till we get a little bit of further correction right there, and wait if we retest the 16 Tether USD or not, because retesting there the 16 Tether USD and going a little bit beyond, yeah, we might be getting further down, okay, and this won't be good for OMG, especially now that you can see that even if Bitcoin goes up, OMG is going down. This is because we underperform against Bitcoin, okay, and if we continue to underperform because we do not have the stochastic, actually we have only the stochastic RSI in an oversold, but not any other risk metric in an oversold, then yes, we might not be able to outperform Bitcoin soon, and we might to be testing the lower support levels. For the time being though, always remember that the 18.8, we will achieve that, okay? We will achieve this price target for OMG. It's just a matter of time. Even if we go down and we go down to further support levels, then do not worry about that. We are going to achieve this and we are going further upwards, okay? Do not worry. Even if we go down here, we are not bearish. As long as we are going upwards, we are pretty fine. I've always told everyone, be patient, and of course the success will come in your way if you are patient. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. I'm always telling that, and I always trust that. So even if you bought around here, do not worry, just wait a little bit. I know it is a little bit frustrating, especially if you have spent a lot of USDT in this OMG network, for example, in this price. However, you should be waiting. This is all you want to do. Do not sell your coins, do not panic sell, and eventually we will be getting there. But for the time being, if you are a new trader, please just observe the market for OMG. I would suggest you not to trade right now. Of course, you can do whatever you want because it is not a financial advice, okay? And of course, before we close the video, join the monthly subscription. Do not forget that. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / your crypto, join in, and of course, before it is too late, you can go in, join in, and everything will be fine. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.